हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। आज की इस वीडियो में देखेंगे एनटीए अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 89 के क्वेश्चंस और उसके आंसर्स। ये वीडियो सिर्फ क्विक रिवीजन के लिए है। डिटेल वीडियो फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे, वहाँ से लिंक क्लिक करके आप डिटेल वीडियो देख सकते हैं। एनटीए अभ्यास के सारे मॉक टेस्ट अवेलेबल है पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में। उसके लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए व्हाट्सएप नंबर से कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे बायो से, देन केमिस्ट्री पाएंगे, उसके बाद फिजिक्स पाएंगे। ओके, अगर इस वीडियो क्वालिटी आपको लो लगे तो वीडियो एप्लीकेशन क्रोम से डाउनलोड कर ले। उसके बाद अगर वीएलसी मीडिया प्लेयर से चलाएंगे तो आपको फुल स्क्रीन में एचडी क्वालिटी में चलेगा। उसके भी लिंक जो है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए हुए हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट यहाँ बायो का है। इन आवर बायोस्फेयर द डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ हेट्रोजेनिटी एग्जिस्ट्स एट। आंसर विल बी डी, ऑल ऑफ दीज। यानी कि ये भी कुछ ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट है। स्पीसीज लेवल, जेनेटिक लेवल, इकोलॉजिकल लेवल, तीनों लेवल पे होते हैं। The UN Conference of Parties on Climate Change in the year 2019 was held in. Answer will be A, Spain. जितने भी ईयर है कहाँ कहाँ हुआ था वो सब जरूर याद रखना, हमेशा पूछते रहता है क्वेश्चन। Which of the following is incorrect for four wings of a cockroach? Answer will be D, used in light, used in flight। तो ये हमारा गलत है, फ्लाइट में यूज नहीं होते हैं। बाकी ए, बी और सी जो है सही है। ऑल्सो कॉल्ड मेजोथोरैसिक विंग्स और टेगमिना, ओपेक, डार्क एंड लेदरी, कवर द हिंड विंग्स when at rest. Testosterone is synthesized by. Answer will be C, interstitial cells. In which of the following options the two examples are correctly matched with its particular type of immunity? Answer will be A, polymorphonuclear leukocytes and monocytes types of immunity जो है वो सेलुलर बैरियर्स हैं। Which of the a sponge is given as a gift in Japan? Answer will be B, Euplectella, जिसे वेनस फ्लावर बास्केट भी बोलते हैं। MOET, multiple ovulation embryo transfer, is a method of. Answer will be B, hybridization of cattle. Find the incorrect statement. Answer will be A, each rib in human is attached at one end to the vertebral column and at the other end to the sternum and is therefore called bicephalic। तो ये हमारा इनकरेक्ट है। बाकी बी, सी और डी हैं वो सही हैं, करेक्ट हैं। देयर आर 12 पेयर्स ऑफ रिब्स, ईच पेयर इज अटैच टू वन thoracic vertebra, ईच रिब इज अ सी शेप्ड फ्लैट बोन। और डी यहाँ पे है, फर्स्ट 7 पेयर ऑफ रिब्स आर अटैच्ड टू sternum with the help of hyaline cartilage. The diagram given below represents. Answer will be A, inspiration. Which among the following secondary metabolites is lectin? Answer will be C, uh, concanavaline A। ये जो क्वेश्चन है नीट में आ चुका है, नीट 2019 में। The pathway of blood from left ventricle of the heart to the right atrium is. Answer will be B, systemic circulation. The correct function of hormones of gastrointestinal tract is. Answer will be B, secretion is excitatory to pancreas but is inhibitory to. Secretin is excitatory to pancreas but is inhibitory to the gastric gland. Sebaceous glands eliminate certain substances like sterols, hydrocarbons and waxes through sebum. Answer will be A. The alien species Neil Perk introduced into Lake Victoria in. Answer will be D, East Africa. Minamata disease is caused due to the consumption of. Answer B, fish contaminated with mercury. Choose the incorrect statement in reference to the unstriated muscle. Answer will be C, they lack actin and myosin proteins, hence लैक स्ट्रिएशंस, तो ये हमारा जो है इनकरेक्ट है। बाकी ए सी और डी जो है वो सही है। अबाउट अनस्ट्रिएटेड से muscles, their contractions are under the control of autonomous nervous system. Cell junctions hold them together. They possess uninucleated fusiform shaped cells which taper at both the ends. The uterus open into vagina through a narrow, answer C, cervix, narrow cervix. Active immunity means, answer will be B, resistance developed after disease. Triploblastic unsegmented acidomate exhibit bilateral symmetry, reproducing both asexually and sexually, with some parasitic forms. This description is a characteristic of the phylum. Answer will be B, Platyhelminthes. Arrange the following in decreasing order of their number. Okay. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ phalanges in each hand is 14. Total number of wrist bone in a human is 16. Total number of metacarpals in human body is 10. And number of bones in each upper limb is 30. तो आंसर यहाँ पे सी होगा, सबसे ज़्यादा 4, देन 2, उसके बाद 1, उसके बाद थर्ड। ओके, यहाँ पे नंबर नहीं देना चाहिए था। ओके, बिना नंबर के भी ये बन सकता था, ठीक है। Which of the following statements are correct? First, a specialized center present in the medulla region of the brain called respiratory rhythm center is primarily responsible for the regulation of respiration. Second, a chemosensitive area is situated adjacent to the rhythm center which is highly sensitive to O2, CO2 and hydrogen ions. Third, receptors associated with aortic arc and carotid artery also can recognize changes in CO2 and H plus concentration and send necessary signals to the rhythm center for remedial actions. Fourth, the neural signal from the pneumatic center can increase the duration of inspiration and thereby alter the respiratory rate. ओके, तो यहाँ पे कह रहा है करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट, तो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट 1 और 3 होंगे यहाँ पे, यानी कि स्पेशलाइज सेंटर प्रेजेंट इन द मेडुला रीजन ऑफ द ब्रेन called respiratory rhythm center is primarily responsible for the regulation of the respiration. और थर्ड यहाँ पे है receptors associated with aortic arc and carotid artery also can recognize changes in CO2 and H plus concentration and send necessary signals to the rhythm center for remedial actions. Which of the following bonds are formed by removal of water molecule? फर्स्ट यहाँ पे है पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड, सेकेंड ग्लाइकोसिडिक बॉन्ड, थर्ड फॉस्फोडाइस्टर बॉन्ड और फोर्थ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड। आंसर हमारा सी होगा, फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड थर्ड जो है वो रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर के बाद ये बॉन्ड बनते हैं, यानी फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड, यानी पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड, ग्लाइकोसिडिक बॉन्ड और फॉस्फोडाइस्टर बॉन्ड्स। Erythroblastosis fetalis can never occur in any child born to parents having blood groups. आंसर विल बी डी, सेकेंड थर्ड एंड फोर्थ। केवल एक ही केस होता है जिसमें मदर आर एच निगेटिव और फादर आर एच पॉजिटिव होंगे, तभी केवल इरिथ्रोब्लास्टोसिस फिटालिस होगा। बाकी सेकेंड थर्ड और फोर्थ में कोई भी केस इसके अलावा रहे उसमें इरिथ्रोब्लास्टोसिस फिटालिस नेवर कैन नेवर अकर होगा। The fluid coming out of proximal convoluted tubule has a concentration of about, answer will be B, 300 uh, milliosmol per liter. Which of the following does not occur between 15 to 28 day of menstrual cycle? Answer will be D, proliferative phase. Which of the following events are not associated with the phage cycle of malaria parasite in man? Answer will be B, formation of motile zygote जो है not associated with malaria parasite in men है। बाकी A, C, D होंगे, यानी entry of parasite into hepatocytes, formation of gametocytes और erythrocytic zygote। In a nerve, if sodium pump is blocked, which of the following is most likely to happen? Answer will be C. Na plus inside the nerve will increase. Which one of the following pituitary hormones do not have a particular target gland to act upon? Answer will be B. Somatotropin. Who disproved the theory of spontaneous generation? Answer will be C. Louis Pasteur. The permissible use of amniocentesis is for. Answer will be A. Detecting genetic abnormality in the fetus. If after cutting through the dorsal root of a spinal nerve of a mammal, an associated receptor in the skin was stimulated, the animal would. Answer will be A. Show no response. Match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of codes given below the list. First, somatotropin, second oxytocin, thyroxine and विटामिन डी. तो सोमेटोट्रोपिन का हो जाएगा 4 यानी गिगांटिज्म, ऑक्सीटोसिन का 1 यानी न्यूरोहाइपोफाइसिस से सीक्रेट होते हैं, थायरोक्सिन होगा क्रिएटिनिज्म और विटामिन डी जो है वो रिकेट्स काउज करते हैं इसको डिफिशियंसी. Find the incorrect match from the following. Answer will be C. First cellular forms of life 4 billion years ago. ये हमारा इनकरेक्ट है. बाकी ए बी और डी जो है इन वो सारे करेक्ट हैं. Origin of Earth 4.5 billion years ago. Dinosaurs disappeared 65 million years ago. And jawless fish evolved 350 million years ago. Which of the following is a method of birth control? Answer will be A. IUD यानी intrauterine devices. Which of the following is an example of negative feedback? Answer will be C. Secretion of CRH in response to ACTH. The suffix AC indicates. Answer will be A. Family जैसा मालवेसी, सोलेनेसी, पोएसी, फैबेसी सारे फैमिली के हैं. The archaebacteria that can survive in extreme salty areas are called. Answer will be A. Halophiles. Recognize the figure and find out the correct match. ओके ये भी क्वेश्चन जो पहले आ चुका है. आंसर हमारा डी होगा. ए यहाँ पे लीव्स हैं, बी स्टेम, सी रूट और डी यहाँ पे लाइकोप्सीडा. ओके लाइकोप्सीडा फैमिली का ये प्लांट है, सेलाजिनेला. Polysome is formed by. Answer will be several ribosomes attached to a single mRNA. ये भी क्वेश्चन रिपीट है, बहुत सारे एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आ चुका है. Identify the mitotic stage from the given features. First, nuclear envelope degenerates completely. Second, chromosomes are spread throughout the cytoplasm. And third, fully formed spindle apparatus consists of fine fibers. Answer will be D. Prometaphage. Fungi show asexual reproduction by all of the following kinds of spores except. Answer will be B. Oospores. Rhizoids of Funaria are. Answer will be C. Multicellular, colorless with oblique septa. Which of the following organelles is present exclusively in plants? Answer will be D. Gloxyzomes. For a somatic cell with 2n equal to 4, which of the following is true? Note G1 growth phase, G2 growth phase, uh, G1 growth phase 1, G2 growth phase 2, M metaphase, P prophase and T telophase. Answer will be C. Number of chromatids in P यानी prophase equal to 8 और number of chromosomes in G2 phase equal to 4. Substance X is the charged molecule of a small molecular weight. It is found at higher concentrations outside of cells than inside. How can substance X enter the cells? Answer will be B. Diffusion through a channel. Go through the following matches regarding the flower and ovary position. First, mustard, epigynous. Second, plum, perigynous. Third, hibiscus, epigynous. And fourth, peach, perigynous. Which of these is are correct? आंसर will be B. सेकेंड एंड फोर जो है करेक्ट है, यानी प्लम पेरीगाइनस, और फोर जो है पीच भी, प्लम रोज पीच जो होते हैं पेरीगाइनस में आते हैं. सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट पेयर आउट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. ए यहाँ पे है हाइपोस्टोमैटिक लीफ डाइकोट्स में होते हैं, बिल्कुल सही है. बाकी बी सी डी जो है वो गलत हैं, इनकरेक्ट पेयर्स. Which of the following conclusions can be drawn from the Girdling experiment? Answer will be D. Phloem is the tissue responsible for translocation of food. If a male plant is hexaploid and female plant is tetraploid, the endosperm will be, answer will be D. 7N. An apocarpous ovary is that in which all carpels are free. It is found in, answer will be B. Lotus. Read the following statements and select the correct ones. First, phloem parenchyma is absent in most monocots. Second, gymnosperms lack tracheids and vessels. Third, gymnosperms lack companion cells. करेक्ट वंस बोल रहा है तो यहाँ पे करेक्ट वंस फर्स्ट और थर्ड होगा. ओके, फ्लोएम पैरेन्काइमा इज एब्सेंट इन मोस्ट मोनोकॉट्स और जिम्नोस्पर्म्स लैक कंपेनियन सेल्स. Choose the option with the correct labels for the diagram given below. Answer will be A. A यहाँ पे मेगास्पोर डायड है और B यहाँ पे न्यूसेलस है. World simple leaves with reticulate venation are present in. एक एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे. आंसर विल बी डी. एस्टोनिया होते हैं. ओके, जिसे डेवलप प्लांट भी बोलते हैं एस्टोनिया को. When a tetraploid individual is crossed with another individual, it produces a triploid embryo, 5 in endosperm and 4 in fruit. In this cross, the male individual is, answer will be A. Diploid. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the quotes given below. Okay, तो फर्स्ट यहाँ पे पी है मल्टीपल एलिजम, बैक क्रॉस, टेस्ट क्रॉस, क्रॉसिंग ओवर और रिकॉम्बिनेशन. तो पी यहाँ मल्टीपल एलिजम का हो जाएगा थर्ड, ह्यूमन ब्लड ग्रुप. क्यू बैक क्रॉस का होगा सेकेंड, यानी कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी क्रॉस विथ कैपिटल टी. टेस्ट क्रॉस का होगा फर्स्ट, यानी कि कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी क्रॉस विथ स्मॉल टू रिसेसिव के साथ. एस क्रॉसिंग ओवर का हो जाएगा 5, यानी नॉन सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड्स. टी रिकॉम्बिनेशन का होगा 4, यानी नॉन पेरेंटल जीन कॉम्बिनेशन. Read the given statements and select the correct one. Answer will be D. Non-coding DNA sequence code for tRNA and rRNA. GAATC is a recognition site for the restriction endonuclease of, answer will be A. EcoR first. DNA probe is used for, answer will be D. All of these, यानी for DNA fingerprinting, detection of pathogenic bacteria और medical genetics to find whether a person carries a particular gene or not. Complete the given table showing different possibilities of genotypes and their corresponding blood group by selecting द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। ओके, तो यहाँ पे आंसर होगा सी। फर्स्ट होगा IAI, सेकेंड यहाँ पे IBI, और थर्ड यहाँ पे IAIB होगा क्योंकि ये भी ब्लड ग्रुप है, और फोर यहाँ पे II होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे वो ब्लड ग्रुप है। सीक्वेंस एनोनेशन in human genome project refers to, answer will be correlating sequence of nucleotides already known for an organism to their functions. Match the products obtained by biotechnology in column 1 with column 2 and choose the correct alternative. Calcitonin, gonadotropin, erythropoietin, interferon और interleukin। तो ये यहाँ पे कैल्सिटोनिन का हो जाएगा सेकेंड, यानी ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ रिकेट्स। बी क्या फिफ्थ, यानी कि गोनेडोट्रोपिन का ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ इनफर्टिलिटी। सी का फोर, यानी इरिथ्रोपोइटिन का फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इरिथ्रोसाइट्स। और डी का फर्स्ट, इंटरफेरॉन का ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ वायरल इन्फेक्शन। और ई का थर्ड, यानी इंटरल्यूकिन का होगा थर्ड, इन्हांसमेंट ऑफ इम्यून एक्शन। Experimental verification of chromosomal theory of inheritance was done by, answer will be D, the person who discovered linkage in Drosophila melanogaster, यानी कि मॉर्गन, थॉमस हंट मॉर्गन। X is physiologically and biologically active form of DNA. The pitch of its helix is 34 angstrom with a distance between two adjacent base pair of about 33.4 angstrom. It shows right-handed coiling. Identify X. Answer will be A, BDNA. Nucleic acid segment tagged with a radioactive molecule is called. Answer will be B, probe. The following compounds are intermediates in the pathway of photorespiration. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे है फॉस्फोग्लाइकोलेट, सेकेंड सेरीन, थर्ड ग्लाइकोलेट, फोर्थ ग्लाइसिन। द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ दियर अपीयरेंस इन द पाथवे इज, आंसर विल बी बी। सबसे पहले फर्स्ट यानी फॉस्फोग्लाइकोलेट, देन थर्ड फॉर्म होगा यानी ग्लाइक ग्लाइक ग्लाइक्सिलेट, उसके बाद फोर यानी ग्लाइसिन, और लास्ट में बनेगा हमारा सेरीन सेकेंड। स्टडी द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स रिगार्डिंग द chemiosmotic hypothesis in mitochondria and select the correct ones. First, F1 headpiece contains the site for the synthesis of ATP from ADP plus inorganic phosphate. Second, F0 part forms the channel through which protons crosses the inner membrane. Third, for each ATP produced, 2H plus pass through F0 from the intermediate from intermembrane space to the matrix down the electrochemical proton gradient. Answer will be D, फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड थर्ड ऑल आर यहाँ पे करेक्ट हैं। इंटरनोडल इलोंगेशन इज स्टिमुलेटेड बाय, आंसर विल बी डी, जिब्रेलिन। स्ट्रेस साइकिल इज सीन इन, आंसर विल बी सी, नॉन प्राइवेट में होते हैं जैसे काउज। द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ C4 प्लांट्स इज, आंसर विल बी ए, मेज, मेज है, sorghum, sugarcane, etc. Select the correct sequence of formation of given intermediates of Krebs cycle. Answer will be C, succinate, then fumarate, malate, उसके बाद jello acetic acid. Identify A, B, C and D in the statements given below. A यहाँ पे है in A growth, both the progeny cells following mitotic division retain the ability to divide and continue to do so. तो आंसर होगा अर्थमेटिक। यहाँ पे ए होगा जियोमेट्रिक। ओके, इन geometric growth both the progeny cells following mitotic cell division retain the ability to divide and continue to do so. यहाँ बी होगा अर्थमेटिक, यानी इन अर्थमेटिक ग्रोथ following mitotic cell division only one daughter cell continues to divide while the other differentiates and matures. C यहाँ पे होगा एल टी इक्वल टू एल नॉट प्लस आर टी, ओके, यानी कि अर्थमेटिक ग्रोथ इज मैथमेटिकली एक्सप्रेस्ड एज एल टी इक्वल टू एल नॉट प्लस आर टी, ओके। और यहाँ पे ज्योमेट्रिक ग्रोथ, एक्सपोनेंशियल ग्रोथ कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज डब्ल्यू वन इक्वल टू डब्ल्यू नॉट ई टू द पावर आर टी। Match the following and choose the correct combination from the options given. पोटेशियम, सल्फर, मोलिब्डेनम और जिंक। तो यहाँ पे पोटेशियम का होगा 2 यानी इन्वॉल्व इन स्टोमेटल मूवमेंट। बी का सल्फर का होगा 1 यानी कंस्टिट्यूएंट ऑफ फेरोटॉक्सिन। सी का 4 यानी मोलिब्डेनम का होगा कंपोनेंट ऑफ नाइट्रोजिनेज। और डी का 3 यानी जिंक का होगा थर्ड नीडेड इन द सिंथेसिस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, ओके। ये जो क्वेश्चन है पिछले नोटिस में आ चुका है। मिथेनोजेंस आर कॉमनली फाउंड इन, आंसर विल बी डी ऑल ऑफ दी, यानी एनाएरोबिक स्लज, रूमेन ऑफ कैटल और इन गोबर। A population that has not reached the carrying capacity is likely to, answer will be B, grow exponentially. Food chain in which microorganisms break down the food formed by primary producers, answer will be B, detritus food chain. The majority of baculoviruses are used as biological control agents because, answer will be D, more than one option is correct, यानी कि they attack insects and other arthropods. They have been shown to have no negative impact on non-target plant and animals. These viruses are excellent candidates for genus-specific activity. Read the following statements with respect to predation and select the two wrong statements, okay। फर्स्ट यहाँ पे कह रहा है predators helps in maintaining species diversity in a community, तो ये जो है हमारा बिल्कुल सही है। रॉन्ग कह रहा है। सेकंड यहाँ कह रहा है predators are prudent in nature, तो ये भी हमारा बिल्कुल सही है। थर्ड यहाँ पे कह रहा है predators cannot reduce the intensity of competition among competing prey species, तो ये हमारा गलत हो जाएगा। फोर्थ है predators do not act as conduits for energy transfer across tropics level, तो ये भी हमारा गलत हो जाएगा। यानी थर्ड और फोर्थ जो है इनकरेक्ट है, फर्स्ट और सेकंड करेक्ट हैं। और ये जो क्वेश्चन, इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन जो है पहले भी आ चुका है एनटीए मॉक टेस्ट में। कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। फर्स्ट, the productivity and distribution of plants have nothing to do with water. B यहाँ पे कह रहा है next to temperature water is the most important factor influencing the life of organism, तो ये हमारा बी बिल्कुल सही है, ये हमारा गलत होगा। सी यहाँ पे कह रहा है मैमल्स फ्रॉम कोल्डर क्लाइमेट्स जनरली हैव लार्जर ईयर्स एंड लिम्स टू मिनिमाइज हीट लॉस, ये हमारा गलत होगा। डी यहाँ पे कह रहा है लाइफ ऑन अर्थ ओरिजिनेटेड इन वाटर एंड इज अनसस्टेनेबल विदाउट वाटर, तो ये हमारा जो है लाइफ ऑन अर्थ ओरिजिनेटेड इन वाटर एंड इज स्टेबल, डी हमारा जो है करेक्ट होगा, ओके। Which of the following statements about biodiversity is incorrect? तो बी हमारा इनकरेक्ट होगा। नंबर ऑफ स्पीसीज ऑफ वैस्कुलर प्लांट्स इन अ फॉरेस्ट इन मिड वेस्ट यूएसए इज ग्रेटर देन द नंबर ऑफ स्पीसीज ऑफ वैस्कुलर प्लांट्स इन इक्वाडोर, ओके। बाकी ए सी और डी जो है स्टेटमेंट सही है। नंबर ऑफ स्पीसीज इन ट्रॉपिक्स इज ग्रेटर देन नंबर ऑफ स्पीसीज इन पोलर रीजन्स। Number of species in India is greater than number of species in Norway, or number of bird species in Colombia is greater than number of bird species in New York. Sugar and amino acids are, answer will be A, primary metabolite. Which of these animals has not evolved from sauropsids? Answer will be C, mammals जो है वो sauropsids से इवॉल्व नहीं हुए हैं। बाकी ए बी और डी जो है वो इवॉल्व हुए हैं, जैसे टॉर्टेरस, बर्ड्स और लिजर्ड्स। Common ancestors amniote in the Carboniferous period gave rise to two groups, sauropsid and synapsid. Sauropsids evolved to form all reptiles and birds. synapsids gave rise to mammals. Which of the following, which of these pairs is correctly matched? Answer will be C. 2n plus 1 chromosome is called trisomy. यहाँ fill in the blanks है तो fill read कर लेंगे. Aristotle classified animals into two groups, those which have red blood and those that did not. The polar nuclei are present in, answer will be D, in the central cell. In which region of PBR 332 5-GAATT C3- sequence will be present? Answer will be D, none of these. यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स को फिल रीड कर लेंगे. द प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ द ओशंस इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1/3 द एनुअल नेट प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ द whole biosphere. For a son to be hemophilic, answer will be C. The mother may be hemophilic or carrier for hemophilia. Which of the following disease is in plants is different from the others? Answer will be D. Potato spindle tuber disease. In all the following, the gynecium is unilocular with multiple ovules except. Answer will be D. Petunia. The following blanks can be filled only by numbers. Okay. First, George Mendel conducted hybridization experiment on garden pea for how many यानी कि p years है यहाँ पे. Second, Mendel selected Q true breeding pea plant varieties. Third, in a human population there are R alleles for ABO blood groups. And four यहाँ पे है in Drosophila genes for white eye and yellow body show S% recombination. The correct arrangement is, आंसर हमारा सी होगा. सबसे ज़्यादा Q, देन P, देन R, देन S यहाँ पे होंगे. ओके. जॉर्ज मेंडल कंडक्टेड हाइब्रिडाइजेशन एक्सपेरिमेंट्स ऑन अ गार्डन पी फॉर 7 years. ओके. यानी कि यहाँ पे जो P होगा यहाँ पे 7 होगा. उसके बाद है एंड प्रोपोज द लॉ ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस इन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स. मेंडल सेलेक्टेड 14 ट्रू ब्रीडिंग प्लांट्स. ओके. तो यहाँ पे Q जो होगा 14 होगा. Plant variety as pairs which are similar except for one character with contrasting traits. In human population there are three alleles for ABO blood group IA, IB and I. यानी कि यहाँ पे R जो होगा 3 होगा और S यहाँ पे 1.3% हो जाएगा, इसलिए सबसे कम ये S होगा यानी 1.3%. देन होगा R यानी 3%. उसके बाद P यानी कि 7 years. उसके बाद सबसे ज़्यादा होगा 14 Q. ओके. तो ये सारे थे हमारे बायो क्वेश्चंस. अब आते हैं केमिस्ट्री पे. वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किए हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना. जो नए व्यूवर्स है प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना क्योंकि ऐसे ही सारे मॉक टेस्ट के वीडियो आते रहेंगे. ओके. आते हैं केमिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट देखते हैं. Which of the following violates the off-bound principle? Answer will be D. Okay. Which one of the following has shortest carbon-carbon bond length here? Answer will be C. C2H2 क्योंकि इसमें ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है. In the reaction sequence CH3 CH2 CH2 Br in presence of AgCN gives X or in presence of H2 and OH minus gives Y. Y will be, answer will be A. CH3 CH2 CH2 or NH2. The oxidation state of molybdenum in its oxo-complex species MO2O4 C2H4 whole twice NH3 2 minus each. Answer will be B3. When a standard solution of NaOH is left in air for a few hours, answer will be B. Strength of solution will decrease. Out of these, the correct match is, answer will be B. मैटे में 98% Cu2s होते हैं और 2% FeS. A bottle of cold drink contains 200 ml liquid in which CO2 is 0.1 molar. Suppose CO2 behaves like an ideal gas. The volume of the dissolved CO2 at STP each. Answer will be B 0.448 liter. Which among the following reagents can convert alkyl halide into alkane? Answer will be D. Any all of these. Bu3SNH, sodium or dry ether, or R2CuLi. Which of the following is correct statement? Answer will be D. Boiling point increases down the group in halogens. The equivalent mass of KMnO4 in acidic, strongly basic and neutral are in the ratio of. Answer will be D. 3 is to 15 is to 5. AgCl on fusion with sodium carbonate gives. Answer will be C. Ag. In the given reaction, C6H5CH2COOH in presence of ammonia and hint and P2O5 gives X. X will be. Answer will be C. C6H5CH2CN. Which of the following compound does not produce oxyacid of central atom on hydrolysis? Answer will be B. NCl3. The equilibrium constant for ionization of aliphatic amine RNH2 gas in water is RNH2 gas plus H2O liquid gives RNH3 plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous is 8 into 10 to the power minus 6 at 25 degrees Celsius. Partial pressure of amine at equilibrium is 0.5 bar. The pOH of the aqueous solution of amine will be. Answer will be A. 2.7. Consider the following reaction and select incorrect statement about gas P. Zn plus HNO3 dilute gives ZnNO3 whole twice plus P. Answer will be C. Forms brown ring with FeSO4 solution. Conversion of isobutene into isobutyl alcohol can be possible with. Answer will be B. BS3 followed by H2O2 and OH minus. The incorrect statement regarding X in the given reaction is BF3 plus LiLH4 in presence of ether gives X plus LiF plus AlF3. Answer will be D. X does not react with NH3. In the reaction CH3C triple bond CH in presence of NaNH2 and NH3 liquid ammonia gives A and A on reaction with CH3 CH2 CH2 Br gives B. The product B is. Answer will be A. CH3 C triple bond C CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH3. 1 mole of methanol when burnt in oxygen gives out 723 kilojoule per mole heat. If 1 mole of oxygen is used, what will be the amount of heat evolved? Answer will be B. 482 kilojoule. When HCl aqueous is titrated with NaOH aqueous conductometrically, then the graphical representation of the titration will be. Answer will be A. Which of the following effects are possible into orthonitrophenol? Answer will be D. All of these, यानी minus I effect, R यानी I effect, mesomeric effect और intramolecular H bonding. Angular momentum has dimensions of. Answer will be C. Planck's constant. The stability of particular oxidation state of a metal in aqueous solution is determined by. Answer will be D. All of these. Insulin C6H10O5 whole N dissolved in a medium shows osmotic pressure pi at C gram per centimeter cube, concentration and 300 Kelvin temperature. The slope of plot of pi against C is 4.1 into 10 to the power minus 3. Molecular mass of insulin is. Answer will be B. 6 into 10 to the power 6. Two isomeric ketone pentane 3,1 and pentane 2,1 can be distinguished by? आंसर will be D, both A and B, यानी कि I2 और NaOH only और NaSO3H only दोनों होंगे. The given reaction is C6H5CHO plus C6H5CHO in presence of Na2FeCO whole 4 gives C6H5 C double bond O single bond O CH2 C6H5. Answer will be B. Tischenko reaction. Which of the following plays significant role in depletion of ozone layer? Answer will be A. Oxides of nitrogen. Among the carbonates of alkali metals, which one has highest thermal stability? Answer will be A. CH2CO3. Efficiency of the following cells is 84%. A solid plus B plus aqueous gives A2 plus aqueous plus B solid. Delta H equal to minus 285 kilojoule. Then the standard electrode potential of the cell will be. Answer will be D, 1.24 volt. An acid solution of pH equal to 6 is diluted 1000 times. The pH of final solution becomes. Answer will be A, 6.95. The total number of isomers for the aromatic compound having molecular formula C7H8O is. Answer will be D5. Which one of the following alkenes is the most stable? Answer will be D. CH3C, CH3 double bond, CH2. During mycelium formation, answer will be D. Delta H equal to positive and delta S is equal to negative. The graph between log T half and log A at a given temperature is. Rate of this reaction will fill in the blanks with passage of time. Answer will be C. Yani rate of this reaction will remains constant with passage of time. Consider the following reaction. In the above reaction, ester formation takes place by. Answer will be C. Breaking of OH bond of A and CO bond of B. In the given reaction, C6H5CH2 single bond CH2 single bond N plus CH2 whole twice CH2 CH3 OH minus in presence of heat X gives X as major product will be. Answer will be B, CH2 double bond CH2. Select correct statement for Cr dot 6NH3 dot Cl3 and Cr dot 5NH2 dot Cl3. Answer will be C. In both complex compounds, primary valency is satisfied by only Cl minus. In the reaction sequence, CH3C triple bond C single bond H in presence of CH3 MgBr gives CH4 plus A, and A with reaction with CO2 and H2 and H plus gives B. B will be. Answer will be C, CH3 single bond C triple bond C C double OH. In the Haber's process of ammonia manufacture, N2 gas plus 3H2 gas gives 2NH3 gas. The rate of appearance of NH3 is DNH3 by dt equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 mole per liter per second. The rate of disappearance of N2 and H2 will be. ओके तो आंसर हमारा बी होगा. रेट इन टर्म्स ऑफ H2 होगा 3 इंटू 10 टू पावर माइनस 4 और रेट इन टर्म्स ऑफ N2 होगा 1 इंटू 10 टू पावर माइनस 4. The period number of and group number of tantalum Z equal to 73 are respectively. Answer will be C. पीरियड नंबर यहाँ पे 6 होगा और ग्रुप नंबर यहाँ पे 5 होगा. Which of the following will not form Grignard reagent with magnesium dry ether? Okay. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Answer will be C. 1, 2 और 3 जो यहाँ पे है will not form Grignard reagent with magnesium and dry ether. A non-stoichiometric compound Cu1.8S is formed due to incorporation of Cu2 plus ions in the lattice of cuprous sulfide. What percentage of Cu2 plus ion in the total copper content is present in the compound? Answer will be B, 11.11. The product of the reaction will be, answer will be D. Which one of the following compound behaves as an electrophile as well as a nucleophile? Answer will be A, acetone. Here the compound Y क्या होगा? Answer will be यहाँ पे होगा C, मिथाइल सैलिसाइलेट. ओके, तो ये सारे हो गए हमारे केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चंस. वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना. जो नए व्यूअर्स से प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना. आते हैं यहाँ पे फिजिक्स पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है फिजिक्स का है. An electron accelerated under a potential difference of v volt has a certain wavelength lambda. It is known that the mass of a proton is about 1800 times the mass of an electron. If a proton has to have the same wavelength lambda, then it will have to be accelerated under the potential difference of. Answer will be C, V by 1800 volt. If A is the radius of first Bohr orbit in a hydrogen atom, the radius of the third orbit is. Answer will be B, 9A. A radioactive nucleus of mass number A, initially at rest, emits on alpha particle with a speed v. What will be the recoil speed of the daughter nucleus? Answer will be C, 4v by A minus 4. A shell of mass 0.020 kg is fired by a gun of mass 100 kg. If the muzzle speed of the shell is 80 meter per second, what is the recoil speed of the gun? Answer will be A, 1.6 centimeter per second. The maximum velocity in meter per second with which a car driver must traverse a flat curve of the radius of 150 meter and the coefficient of friction 0.6 to avoid skidding is. Answer will be B, 30. A copper rod is suspended in a non-homogeneous magnetic field region. The rod, when in equilibrium, will align itself. Answer will be D. In the region where magnetic field is weakest and perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field there. In a meter bridge experiment with a standard resistance in the right gap and a resistance coil dipped in water in a beaker in the left gap, the balancing length obtained is L. If the temperature of the water is increased, the new balancing length will be, answer will be B, more than L. In the circuit shown in the figure below, the cells E1 and E2 have EMF 4 volt and 8 volt and internal resistance 0.5 ohm and 1 ohm respectively. Then the potential difference across the cell E1 and E2 will be. Answer will be B, 4.25 volt and 7.5 volt. An electric field is given by E equal to y I cap plus xj cap Newton per coulomb. The work done in moving 1 coulomb charge from R equal to 2I plus 2j cap meter to RB equal to 4I cap plus 4j cap meter. His answer will be D, 0. A uniformly charged thin spherical shell of radius R carries a uniform surface charge density of sigma per unit area. It is made of two hemispherical shells held together by pressing them with force F. See figure. F is proportional to. Answer will be A, 1 by epsilon naught sigma square R square. AB is a resistance less conducting rod which forms a diameter of a conducting ring of radius r rotating in a uniform magnetic field B as shown in the diagram. The resistors R1 and R2 do not rotate, then the current through the resistor R1 is. Answer will be A, B omega R square by 2 R1. A square coil ACDE with its plane vertical is released from rest in a horizontal uniform magnetic field. B vector of length 2L, the acceleration of the coil is. Answer will be D, less than G when enters and comes out of the field, but equal to G when it is within the field. If g is the acceleration due to gravity at the Earth's surface, the gain of the potential energy of an object of mass m raised from the surface of the Earth to uh, to the height equal to the radius r of the Earth is. Answer will be B, mgr by 2. The value of acceleration due to gravity at a depth of 1600 km is equal to. Answer will be C, 7.35 meter per second square. A cylinder of radius r made of a material of thermal conductivity K1 is surrounded by a cylindrical shell of inner radius r and outer radius 2r made of material of thermal conductivity K2. The two ends of the combined system are maintained at two different temperatures. There is no loss of heat across the cylindrical surface and the system is in steady state. The effective thermal conductivity of the system is. Answer will be C, K1 plus 3K2 by 4. 1 mole of an ideal monoatomic gas, gamma equal to 5 by 3, is mixed with 1 mole of diatomic gas, gamma equal to 7 by 5. The value of gamma for the mixture is where gamma represents the ratio of specific heat capacities at constant pressure and constant volume. Answer will be A, 1.5. A Carnot engine has an efficiency of 1 by 6 when the temperature of the sink is reduced by 62 degrees Celsius. Its efficiency is doubled. The temperature of source and sink are. Answer will be A, 99 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius. The Earth's magnetic field at a certain point is 0.70 Gauss. The field is to be annulled by the magnetic field at the center of a circular conducting loop 5 cm in radius. The required current is about. Answer will be B, 5.6 ampere. A proton beam passes without deviation through a region of space where there are uniform transverse mutually perpendicular electric and magnetic field E and B. Then the beam strikes a grounded target. The force imparted by the beam on the target if the beam current is equal to I each. Answer will be A, MEI by EB. A, B, C are points on a vertical line such that AB equal to BC. If a body is dropped from rest at A and T1 and T2 are the time to travel for distance AB and BC, then ratio T2 by T1 is. Answer will be B, under root 2 minus 1. A body is released from a height and falls freely towards the earth. Exactly 1 second later, another body is released. What is the distance between the two bodies 2 seconds after the release of the second body if g equal to 9.8 meter per second square? Answer will be A, 24.5 meter. The system shown in the figure is in equilibrium and at rest. The spring and string are massless. Now the string is cut. The acceleration of mass 2m and a small m just after the string is cut will be. Answer will be A, g by 2 upward, g downward. Two masses of 10 kg and 5 kg are suspended from a rigid support as shown in the figure. The system is pulled down with a force of 150 Newton attached to the lower mass. The string attached to the support breaks and the system accelerates downwards. Okay. In case the force continues to act, the tension acting between the two masses is. Answer will be C, 100 Newton. If a radioactive substance reduces to 1 by 16 of its original mass in 40 days, its half-life is? Answer will be A, 10 days. Two nuclei A and B are isotonic with mass number 15 and 16 respectively. If A contains 7 protons, then the number of protons in B would be, answer will be B8. A small mass executes SHM around a point O with amplitude A and time period T. Its displacement from O at time T by 8 after passing through O is, answer will be D A by under root 2. A simple pendulum of length L is suspended from the ceiling of a cart which is sliding without friction on an inclined plane of inclination theta. What will be the time period of the pendulum? Answer will be A, 2 pi under root L by G cos theta. The work function of a metal is 1 electron volt. Light of wavelength 3000 angstrom is incident on this metal surface. The velocity of emitted photoelectrons will be, answer will be D, 10 to power 6 meter per second. A 100-watt sodium lamp radiates energy uniformly in all directions. The lamp is located at the center of a large sphere that absorbs all the sodium light which is incident on it. The wavelength of the sodium light is 589 nanometer. At what rate of the photons associated with the sodium light? Answer will be A, 3 into 10 to power 20 photons per second are delivered. Water is flowing through a tube of non-uniform cross-section. If the radii of the tube at the entrance and exit are in the ratio 3:2, then the ratio of the velocity of liquid entering and leaving the tube is, answer will be B, 4:9. The bulk modulus for an incompressible liquid is, answer will be C, infinity. When a monochromatic light ray is incident on a medium of refractive index mu with an angle of incidence theta I, the angle of refraction is theta r. If theta I is changed slightly by del theta I, then the corresponding change in theta r will be, answer will be C, 1 by mu into cos theta I by cos theta 1 by uh, cos theta 1 by cos theta r into del theta I. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे है a ray of light strikes the transparent slab of the refractive index of root 2 at an angle of incidence 45 degree. The angle between the reflected and refracted ray is, answer will be D, 105 degree. Next, question number 34. The moment of inertia of a body is I and its coefficient of linear expansion is alpha. If the temperature of the body rises by a small amount delta T, then change in the moment of inertia about the same axis is, answer will be B, 2 alpha I del T. A force of minus F k cap acts on O, the origin of the coordinate system. The torque about the point 1 and minus 1 each. Answer will be C, minus F into I cap plus J cap. A silicon specimen is made into a piece-type semiconductor by doping on an average 1 indium atom per 5 into 10 to power 7 silicon atoms. If the number density of atoms in the silicon specimen is 5 into 10 to power 28 atoms per meter cube, then the number of acceptor atoms in silicon per cubic centimeter will be, answer will be D, 1 into 10 to power 15 atom per centimeter cube. In the given circuit, the current through the battery is, answer will be C, 3 ampere. Initially, a beaker has 100 gram of water at temperature 90 degrees Celsius. Later, another 600 gram of water at temperature 20 degrees Celsius was poured into the beaker. The temperature T of the water after mixing is, answer will be B, 30 degrees Celsius. The density of material in the CGS system of units is 4 gram per centimeter cube in a system of units in which units of length is 10 centimeter and the unit of mass is 100 gram. The value of density of the material will be, answer will be B 40. Unpolarized light passes through two polarities. The axis of one is vertical and that of other is 30 degree to the vertical. What is the orientation and intensity of the transmitted light? Answer will be B. Plane polarized at 30 degree to the vertical and having intensity of 3 I naught by 8. Two light sources are coherent when, answer will be D, their frequencies are equal and their phase difference is constant with time. The figure shows the location of a source and detector at a time t equal to 0. The source and detector are moving with velocities Vs equal to 5 I cap meter per second and Vd equal to 10 J cap meter per second respectively. The frequency of signals received by the detector at the moment when the source crosses the origin is the frequency यहाँ पे है source का 100 हर्ज और velocity of sound यहाँ पे 330 मीटर पर सेकेंड है. आंसर विल बी ए 97 हर्ज. An iron load of 2 kg is suspended in air from the free end of a sonometer wire of length 1 meter. A tuning fork of frequency 256 Hz is in resonance with time the length of the sonometer wire. If the load is immersed in water, that will be in resonance with the time with the same tuning fork is specific ग्रेविटी ऑफ आयरन जो है हिट दिया हुआ है. आंसर यहाँ पे डी होगा 1/√8. Question number 44. If a body has kinetic energy T moving on a rough horizontal surface stops at density Y, the frictional force exerted on the body is, answer will be D, T by Y. लास्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे फिजिक्स का है, हमारे वीडियो का भी. बॉडी ऑफ मास 3 kg एक्टेड अपॉन बाय अ कांस्टेंट फोर्स इज डिस्प्लेस्ड बाय s मीटर given by relation s equal to 1/3 t square where t is in second. Work done by the force in 2 second is, answer will be a 8/3 joule. ओके, तो ये सारे थे हमारे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री और बायो क्वेश्चंस. वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, जो नए भी हो से प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना. जिन्हें भी पीडीएफ चाहिए एनटीए सारे एनटीए मॉक टेस्ट के, वो हमारे दिए गए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे.